Now students, and tomorrow onwards we have your cycle test revision. Okay, for max revision, and we'll start the revision on tomorrow. Okay. Don't turn on your video unnecessarily. Okay, next. Student, wait. After writing the things, that board will be clear to you. Okay. Don't bother about the things. Okay, just clear only. De Morgan's. Next one. De Morgan's. De Morgan's laws for De Morgan laws for set difference. De Morgan laws for set difference. Okay, the next idea is De Morgan laws for set difference. Okay, De Morgan's laws for set difference. Just one wait. Okay. De Morgan laws for set difference. Okay, the De Morgan laws for set difference. First, I'll write a property for any three sets. For any three sets. For any three sets A, B, and C. Okay, for any three sets A, B, and C. Okay, for any three sets A, B, and C. What's the De Morgan laws for set difference? First one, A difference, B union C. A difference, B union C. A difference, B union C, which is equal to A difference B, A difference B intersection A difference C. Okay, for the De Morgan law, okay, the De Morgan law alone for your left hand side, that is union, but for your right hand side, that is intersection. Okay, that's a exchange of union and intersection. Okay, first one, that A difference B union C is equal to A difference B intersection A difference C. Second one, A difference B intersection C, which is equal to A difference B union A difference C. Yeah, this is the De Morgan. Okay, De Morgan laws for set difference. De Morgan laws for set difference. Okay, this is only the idea for the De Morgan laws of set difference. Why got this law? A difference B union C is equal to A difference B intersection. The union will be exchanged to intersection. A difference B intersection A difference C. Then A difference B union A difference C. That's a second one. Yeah. Second one. This is called De Morgan laws for set difference. Next, we'll move on to draw the Venn diagram for De Morgan laws of set difference. First, you can go through this one and copy the two law, the De Morgan laws of set difference. The De Morgan laws for set difference. Copy the first and second laws of De Morgan laws for set difference. De Morgan laws for set difference. Okay, next we'll move on to draw the Venn diagram. To draw the Venn diagram for De Morgan laws of set difference. Example number 1.23. Example number 1.23. Example 1.23. Example number 1.23. Example number 1.23. Now we can go through your textbook. A difference B union C, which is equal to A difference B union C is equal to A difference B intersection A difference C. Yeah, first we'll do the left hand side and next we'll move on to right hand side. Left hand side, we have the three diagram. Yeah, left hand side, first A, next B union C, next A difference B union C. Okay, first I'll draw the diagram for left hand side. Draw the three circle A, B, C. Next A, B, C. Next A, B, C. First shade A circle fully. Okay, first shade A circle fully. First one, A circle fully. Shade the A circle. This is the shaded portion of the A circle. Circle A. Shade the circle A fully. Or you can use line. Either will shade or to draw a line. Yeah. To shade A circle fully. To shade A circle fully. Next, B union C. Next, B union C. B union C. What does mean by B union C? The union of the two set B and C. Union of the two set B and C. This is B and this is C. That is union of the two set B and C. Just you can shade or to draw line. This is B union C. Yeah, this is B union C. Yeah, B union C. B union C. Next, A difference B union C. A difference B union C. A difference B union C. What does mean by difference? Difference na, okay, difference na to remove. Okay, difference na to remove. Okay, difference mean to remove. Okay, here we'll remove B union C from A. Yeah, B union C from A. This is your B union C. Now we can remove your B union C from A. Okay, after removing the set B union C from A, listen carefully. This is B union C. Yeah, this is B union C. Now you can remove B union C from A. What is the remaining portion of A? This is only the remaining portion of A. After removing B union C from A, this is the remaining portion of A. Yeah, this is the remaining portion of A. Yeah, only this portion. Just to remove B union C. Yeah, to remove B union C from A. What does mean by A difference B union C? To remove B union C from A. Can copy these three diagrams. This is for your left hand side. Okay, this is for your left hand side. Draw neatly. Use any of your circular object to draw circle. The shading also, okay, the shading also using scale and pencil to shade the circle. Okay, draw the diagram neatly. A difference B union C is equal to A difference B intersection A difference C. Okay, I'll move on to the next one. Finish it quickly. In your examination also, you can present the like three diagram for A and B union C, next A difference B union C. But your textbook, okay, for your textbook, they will given only the two diagram for your left hand side, B union C and A difference B union C. Okay, but your examination, you'll draw, or in a notebook also, you can copy like the three diagram. For left hand side, three diagram, and right hand side also three diagram. But your textbook, left hand side only, they will draw two diagram. Okay, they will given only two diagram, but you'll draw the diagram three. The first set also is important. Then only you can easily connect that A difference B union C to remove B union C from A. Next, right hand side. Next, I'll want to draw the diagram for right hand side. For your right hand side, you can call it as equation number 1. You can call it as equation number 1 for the third diagram of left hand side. Next, for my right hand side, A, B, C, A, B, C, and A, B, C. Okay. For your right hand side, first A difference B, next A difference C, next A difference B, intersection A difference C. Okay. What is mean by A difference B? What is mean by A difference B? To remove set B from A. Okay. Don't bother about set C. Okay. Don't bother about set C. Just you can skip the set. Here we'll concentrate only A and B. The first two circle A and B. Here to remove the element of set B from A. This is set B. Okay. Now you can remove set B from A. What will be happen? This is the shaded portion. Just I'll shade. Yeah, this is the shaded portion. To remove B, don't bother about set C. Okay, don't bother about set C. Here I can remove set B from A. This is the set B. Okay, next A difference C. Here A difference B. Sorry, C. What does mean by A difference C? To remove the element of set C from A. Okay, this is set C. Okay, this is set C. Now we can remove. Okay, now we can remove the element of C from A, just to hide set C fully and shade the remaining portion of A. Here don't bother about B. Okay, don't look at B. Here just to concentrate A and B, but here we'll concentrate A and C. Don't bother about B. Now intersection. A difference B intersection A difference C. What is the common portion for this one? Yeah, what is the common portion? Yeah, what's the common portion for these two diagrams? What is the common portion? Listen carefully. This portion is not shaded, but here this portion is shaded. But here this portion is not shaded. Okay, that's why what's the common part? Now compare the two diagram. Compare the two diagram. This portion only is the common part. Okay, this portion only is the common part. Okay, this portion only is the common part. I'm sorry. This one. This one. Okay, this portion only is the common part. Just you can shade. This is the shaded portion and this is the common part, called as equation number 2. Now we can compare equation number 1 and 2, both are same or not. Listen student, listen carefully. This is the part of A and this is also part of A. Here shaded, here not shaded. That's why this portion is not common. Yeah, this part. Maybe I'll call it as 1. This is 1, this is 1, this is 2, and this is 2, and this is 3. Yeah, this is 3. 1 shaded, 1 shaded, 1 not shaded, 2 not shaded, 3 shaded, and 3 not shaded. Okay, then this is 4. 4 fully shaded. That's why I'll shaded the fourth. Okay, this is the fourth part. Okay, I can easily understand. Just you can number 1, 1. Not shaded, shaded. There is no common thing. Next, 2, 2. Not shaded, not shaded. Next, shaded, not shaded. 3, 4, fully shaded. This is 4. Yeah, for understanding purpose, just I'll insert the number. Now you can complete the diagram for your right hand side. Compare equation number 1 and 2. 1 and 2 are equal or not equal? That 1 and 2 are equal. From 1 and 2, LHS and RHS are equal. Okay, from LHS and RHS are equal. Okay, LHS and RHS are equal. Next one, exercise 1.5, question number 9. Exercise 1.5, question number 9. Draw the diagram using pencil. To shade the diagram also using only pencil. Yeah, don't do the diagram in pen. Using pencil to draw the diagram and shade the diagram. Next, question number 9 in exercise number 1.5. Exercise 1.5. Nine. That's the other De Morgan laws of set difference. Okay, that's the other. The other law of De Morgan law of set difference. A difference, B intersection C. A difference, B intersection difference, union A difference C. Yeah, A difference B union A difference C. Okay, try to do this diagram yourself. Left hand side A B C. A B and C. A B C. First A B intersection C and A difference B intersection C. A difference B intersection C. First A, share the circle A fully. Share the circle A fully. Okay, next B intersection C. Common between B and C. This is set B and this is set C. Common. This is the intersection part. This is only the common portion. Okay, this is a common for B and C. Okay, don't look at set A. Okay, don't look at the set A. Here we'll concentrate only for set B and C. B intersection C. Okay, this I think the this portion. Next, A difference B intersection C. What does mean by difference? To remove. Okay, to remove B intersection C from A. Okay, to remove B intersection C. This is your B intersection C. Just you can hide. Just you can hide this part alone. Okay, this is your B intersection C. What does mean by A difference B intersection C? To remove B intersection C from A. Then you can share the remaining portion. Okay, this portion alone is empty. Okay, this portion no need to shade and shade the remaining portion. Yeah, this is only the A difference B intersection C. A difference B intersection C. Can copy now? I'm sorry, just a minute. This one also will continue. Yeah, this is only your B intersection C. This portion. Yeah, this is your B intersection C. This is your B intersection C. No need to shade that B intersection C. Skip that B intersection C and shade the remaining portion in circle A. Okay, only circle A. A difference B intersection C. Now, to remove B intersection C from A. B intersection C from A. Just you can remove or just you can hide using your finger to hide that B intersection C. This is your shaded portion. Yeah, using your finger, just you can hide and you can identify the answer for the Venn diagram. What about the yesterday Venn diagram? Student, once again, you can rewrite the Venn diagram in your home in your rough notebook. Okay, and Venn diagram alone, you can do it as a homework in a rough notebook. Better Friday that homework that evening during the Saturday and Sunday holiday, you can complete all the Venn diagram. Okay, and today I'll complete the Venn diagram. Then you can continue the Venn diagram. I think 4 Venn diagram problems there. I will complete all the Venn diagram as a homework. Okay, that is your Friday homework. And tomorrow you can revise for your cycle test. Okay, tomorrow you can revise for your cycle test. Yeah, but only the revision based on your cycle test. There is no written homework on tomorrow. Just you can revise. That is enough. Yes, do it quickly and then we'll move on to your right hand side. Already right hand side for the previous problem we completed A difference B and A difference C. Okay, once again you can redo the A difference B and A difference C. But examination, this is only the way to present your examination. First left hand side, write the law. What is the property or what's the law they will given. Next, first diagram, the first set. Next, second diagram, second set. Third diagram, the combination of that your left hand side. A difference B union C na A difference B union C. A difference B intersection na that one. For your right hand side, first one, second one, third diagram, the combination of first and two. Okay, this is the way to present your diagram. Suppose it's possible to draw the 3 diagram in your notebook. Na? Okay, no problem, I'll draw. Otherwise, first 2 diagram, next 1 diagram. Yeah, first two diagram and next one diagram. That is okay. Yeah, based on the size of the diagram. Okay, the page is decided based on your size of the diagram. So it's possible to draw the diagram. It's a bigger diagram now. It may be one or two diagram only draw. Otherwise, just you can short. It may be a 1 rupee coin size or 2 rupee coin or 10 rupee coin size. Now, it okay. They will draw 3 diagram in your notebook also. Okay, in your notebook also will draw 3 diagram. But to increase the size of the circle, now it is difficult to complete the diagram in a single line. Next one. Right hand side. Your right hand side. Once I finish now, try to shade the right hand side. A difference B and A difference C. Whose union? On right hand side. Next for right hand side. C. Difference C. A, B, C. A, B, C. That is A difference Venn diagram. For the third diagram, A, B, C. A difference B. Union A difference C. Union A difference C. Okay, already know what is mean by A difference B. That A difference B means to remove the set B from A. Just to fully can hide set B. Okay, fully can hide set B and shade the remaining portion. Okay, shade the remaining portion. Okay, this is your A difference B. What does mean by A difference C now? To remove set C. Okay, to remove set C from A. Okay, this is your set C. Okay, this is your set C. To remove the set C from A. Now I can shade the remaining portion of A. Is it clear? This is set C. To remove set C from A. This is A difference C. Next, union. What does mean by union? Union, join. Okay, join two diagram. Okay, this is part 1, part 2, part 3, and part 4. Part 1, part 2, part 3, and part 4. Okay, part 1 here shaded, here not shaded. Union, join. That's why part 1 here also shaded. And next, part 2 not shaded, here also not shaded. That's why not shaded in the last diagram also. Part 3 here not shaded, for the first diagram is shaded. That's why definitely shade. Part 4 shaded, shaded. That's why part 1, part 3, part 4, except part 2 will shade everything. Okay, using number now is very easy. Okay, using number to shade the portion or to identify the shaded portion is easy. Okay, this is easy way to identify whether it is union or intersection. Intersection are common. For example, 1 and 1, and there is no common portion. Shade na join. This is unshaded. This is shaded. Definitely shaded. Okay, union na join. Okay, this is equation number 2 from 1 and 2. LHS and RHS are equal. Then you can come to the conclusion. Yeah, you can come to the conclusion. That A difference B intersection C is equal to A difference B union A difference C. Yeah, using the number system is very easy to identify the union and intersection. Okay, because the examination don't use the different colors. Okay, because somebody asking, sir, we are using the different colors. No, The examination, what is the government rule? Either will use a blue color or black color pen, okay, that ink pen or your pen, and then to draw the diagram using only pencil. That's a black pencil. That's all. Okay, don't use any other different colors or to shading or sketching to shade the diagram using the crayons or watercolor, anything. That's not allowed. Okay, just you can shade using only pencil. These Venn diagrams. Yeah, this is only the idea for to do the Venn diagram. Diagram you are using only pencil. Yeah, that's all. Don't ask we are using a stick pen or a gel pen or one. No, it's not accepted. Diagram will draw only by pencil to shade everything using only pencil. It's clear? The notation alone, this and all you can write in pen, but the diagram, circle and to shade only in pencil. It's a normal black pencil. Okay, thank you, students. Then we'll meet on tomorrow's session. Then tomorrow we'll start with your revision. Your your cycle test portion is exercise 1.1 to 1.4. All the example, yeah, all the example and all the definition you must go through and come. Yeah, and tomorrow I can start revising from the first exercise. Thank you, everyone.